I'm Mike Scott. I'm a co-director for the Computer Science Contest in UIL. I'm a lecturer at the University of Texas. I teach computer science. I teach introductory programming classes, mostly to freshmen. I've been involved with UIL since 1998. I've been a UIL coach in high school and then a director in the contest as well since that time. Today I'm going to give you an introduction to computer science, and I'm also going to talk a little bit about what's involved in the computer science contest. First of all, computer science is a discipline that's outgrown its name. Computer science used to be the study of artifacts and phenomena surrounding computers, and it's grown much more into what's now called computation, which involves many things outside of computers. So computer science is a very broad area, and it's broken up into many different sub-areas. Some of those areas include artificial intelligence and computer security and networking, computer algorithms and graphics, and many, many, many more. And people are often familiar with the outcomes and the products of computer science and computation more so than the study of computer science itself. Everyone's familiar with their cell phones and AIM and Google and Wikipedia and all those things, all those great tools. Those are certainly outcomes of computer science. The UIL Computer Science Contest is a competition that challenges students to apply what they've learned in their high school computer science classes, or possibly what they've learned on their own. The contest tests knowledge of algorithms and computation, and as well as object-oriented programming, which is one kind of programming. The computer science contest consists of a written test and, at some levels of competition, a hands-on programming contest as well. The written test is used to determine individual results, and the written and hands-on contest together are used to determine team results. The UIL Computer Science written test is composed of 40 multiple choice questions. Now, these questions are written using the Java programming language. That's how the questions are expressed. Now, some of the questions are about Java syntax and Java language features, but many of the questions are about more general, broader programming issues, things like algorithms and abstraction and computation, and those questions are really independent of Java, even though they're written in the Java language. Hands-on portion of the contest is very different than the written portion. In the hands-on, that's a team competition, and so we'll have teams of 3 students solving programming problems. So in this part of the competition, students have a computer. They have one computer, and they're given a packet of anywhere from 6 to 12 programming problems. And the students have to create the program, or create a program that solves that problem. One of the really neat things about programming is there's no right way to do it. There's no one way to write the program to solve a particular problem. There's many different approaches that can work. And so in the written exam, you've got one answer to the question, but in the hands-on portion, a team can come up with many different ways, and different teams will come up with different ways. And so it's a very creative process, a very engaging process, and teams really enjoy the hands-on programming part of the contest. At most levels of competition, teams are given a packet of 12 questions, and they have 2 hours to solve as many of those programming problems as they can. Teams will look at a problem, work on the computer to create a solution to it, then submit that solution to the judges. The judges will then run the program that the contestants have given on different test data and say yes or no, that has solved the problem. And so 2 hours sounds like a long time for testing, but that really flies by for the students because they're just so busy and so involved in writing these programs to solve these problems. So computer science and the UIL Computer Science Contest, it draws skills from actually many different areas. You have to be creative, you have to have mathematical inclination, you have to be able to solve problems like in science. So it's a very interesting field, it's a very interesting area, and it's growing. Many disciplines are using computation and computer science more and more, including biology, chemistry, and engineering. We hope that when students are involved in the computer science contest, that they're going to expand their knowledge of computer science, their knowledge of programming, beyond just what is taught in the classroom, and hopefully spark their interest in the field of computer science. So I hope you'll accept the challenge of taking a computer science class and getting involved in UIL computer science and learn how enjoyable that study can be.